What is up, YouTube? We are back with another episode. We are here with our Scarebird brackets and changing our rear end here to rear wheel disc brakes so we can get this thing down on wheels. Hopefully this week we can have this thing on wheels. So what we need to do here, let me get you set up so you guys can see. Sorry about the bangs, the neighbors are letting off fireworks. So you'll need your two short bolts. All right, guys, we are back. We got the back done. This is the driver's side. Only thing I have left to do is put the e-brake cable in, which it's laying right there. Put that in, and the back is completely done. We're still waiting for our camber pieces. So we've been working, getting ready to do the front, and we've already got the passenger side front all completed, done. Everything's hooked up, ready to go. Like I said, we're not using these hubs. We will be changing these hubs. So right now we need to get our steering rack in. We got all the bolts polished for it, and then after we get the steering rack in, we will put together the driver's side front tire. So let me get you guys set up here, and we'll get this rack put in real quick, and we'll get everything put in, see if we can't get this thing on wheels. Alright guys, we got the entire steering rack in. Everything's in, bolted up. Got this tie rod all in. I still have to put the tie rod and everything on the other side, but we're going to go ahead and get the spindle assembly and everything put in on this side of the car. So I can get you set up here, guys, where you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright guys, we got a complete front end now. Everything's on and done. All we have to do is hook up our steering rack and we'll be able to steer this thing. Guys, it's been a long time coming for this right here, trust me. For the people that know me, you know this has been a long time coming, getting this thing done, getting this thing on wheels. So we are going to bring you that too. Putting this thing on wheels, guys. We are going to get it on wheels tonight. I got 4 rims from another car that we're just going to put on it so we can roll this thing around, so that way I can move it in and out of my garage. So these are just temporary wheels. But man, guys, hit me up in the comments Tell me what you guys think of the new slotted cross-drilled rotors, rear disc brake conversion. I mean, everything on this car is 100% new parts. I mean, we are sparing no expense on getting this thing running and doing what we need to do. We've painted everything. We've polished all our bolts. I mean, every bolt we've polished. We've painted everything. Like I said, we're trying to make the car look good. I mean, everything's starting to really pop and stand out. So, give me your guys' thoughts. Please hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And we'll see how much farther we can get on this thing. Alright guys, as you can tell, we finally got wheels on the Civic. And man, does it look good out here. Finally got it outside. First time in years it's been outside. It's looking real good right now. I'm ecstatic to actually see it on wheels, rolling around. Get ready to move it in my shop, able to do stuff with it now. And we got some new merchandise, so we have some things coming up. We're actually going to do a little giveaway on both cars here. So we have a name picked out for this car. So if you guys can guess this car, the name of this car, we're actually going to send you one of our hats. We have nice flex fit hats here, guys, with our number in the back. We got gray and we got black. So your choice of whichever kind you want. But what we're going to do is if you can guess the name of the blue car, this EK right here, if you can, or the EJ, sorry, if you can guess the name of this, then we will send you a hat and you'll be able to have some of our merchandise. And this is a limited run where we have very limited of this, and we will not have no more like this. This will be the only ones. So now on the red car, we do not have a name for. So this car here, we are going to let you guys pick the name for this car. So we have no name. We haven't decided on a name either. So we're going to let you guys pick the name of this car. And if whoever's name we use for this car, we are going to send you guys one of our hats. So if you guys want to get in on this, we're gonna set up we already have an Instagram, so go on our Instagram, follow us on Instagram, and go ahead and put in your name for both. And who knows, you could win both. You could be lucky. But like I said, we already have a name picked out for the blue one. We just need a name picked out for the red one. So if you guys can guess the name of this one, you get a free hat. And if you guys give us a good name for this one and we use it, you guys get a free hat. So please, in Instagram, YouTube, you can follow us both there. Drop your name, comments. Please give us a like, share it, so everybody can play in the game here. We're gonna do it, and we're gonna give everybody about 30 days to give us names and see who can win. See if anybody can win a hat for these two cars here. And if they can, congratulations, guys. But we're really looking for a name for this one. We already have a name for this one. And guys, if you've already been in my house and you know the name of this car, you're kind of excluded on winning a hat for the name on this car. And please don't ruin it for everybody else. But you're more than welcome to enter in to give us a good name for the red car and win a hat. You're more than welcome to do that. But if you already know the name of the car, please don't ruin it for everybody else. I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks, guys. See you guys next time. So like I said, just hit us down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And please let me know what you guys think of the blue one. Finally on wheels. We got completed slotted cross drilled rotors, brand new calipers, everything. Rear disc conversion kit. Car's been fully undercoated, painted, cage in it. We're actually waiting on our battery box now, so we can finish up the wiring, and then the car will actually be fully wired. Brakes will be working, ready for an engine. So we're going to be getting started on that very shortly. So I hope you guys can throw us a like in the comments or anything. We want you guys to join in with this, and hopefully you guys can win a hat, you know. And good luck to you guys. See you guys on the next video.